It's going to burn down into... It's going to burn down into... There it goes. So you can see there now.
I heard it.
Oh, I can see just fine.
My camera doesn't pick it up.
I quite literally.
There we go. There we go.
Sawhill, like, it's so weird that you can't look at it. I'm just like, oh, can I take a piece of it? I want a piece of it.
Dude, it's a big chug.
Somebody?
I don't think that's a.
It's a big chug.
It usually breaks the pot open. So
It's a big
crack right there.
It's a big chug.
Fire!
Fat
I
Rips.
am taking a piece of that.
Oh, I remember people took it last time.
Rip.
Step on it.
This is all melted iron.
Step
all
on
the
it.
stuff here that's on fire.
Step on it.
Eat it.
Step on it. I'm not even kidding you. If you step on it, it'll cool down real quick.
Yeah, they'll be stuck on the bottom of your shoe.
Minor details.
I'm going to see if this is...
Walk around.
Actually, I've been saying
Only reason it lit on fire is because it's burning gas.
Around.
make some iron armor. The grass is hardly even dry.
Does he have stuff in chunks? To make some, well, actually, you want some iron armor, you need 8 chunks then.
Like 27 pieces of iron.
You said 26. There's 2 pieces right there. You can make an iron sword now. You got a stick?
Dude, it's dead.
There's 3. You can make an iron pick now. You can make an iron pick now, guys. It's 3 pieces.
Yay!
Napalm in it anymore. Yes, like I said, you can put thermite and napalm. I have the piece of iron.
Why don't we ever do uranium experiment, dude?
Yeah, I want to like smash 2 pieces of uranium.
Pure iron.
It's cold, isn't it? Pure iron?
Yeah, it's actually still warm.
Pure iron
Wow.
with Thayer
The iron
Science.
has
You might have impurities. No, but pure iron.
Pass that around.
It kind of looks like a. Does it mean or does it kind of look like a beast? There you go. It looks half of yin and yang.
I
remember your nickname now that I gave you. I remember your nickname that we gave you.
Oh, that. Okay, are we going now? I have a question. Can I have that?
What are we doing?
Yes, that is a very good question.
Ridgely, are you sure? Okay, let's go.
What are we doing?
I want to do it.
Ridgely has just volunteered his life for you all.
I'll do it! Okay. So we need to kill someone.
So the thermite that we looked at up here also releases, as you notice, huge amounts of energy. And if you contain that, if you put it in a container and just compress it in, like you put it in a pressure cooker or a pipe with ends on it, it does make a bomb. And so somebody was saying to me, I thought thermite was used to make bombs, and that is another use of thermite.
John, hell yeah, I'm down to make bombs. We finna make bombs in science, guys. I'm kidding.
I want to do that.
It'd be nice if all of this was
It had dirt.
The sun came out.
dangerous, but also you have to have oxygen to breathe. And a lot of bacteria, a lot of fungus need oxygen to maintain their cell processes. So if you take a building, you make a really big building out of concrete usually, and you seal it up really well, you can fill it with nitrogen gas. You can fill the building with nitrogen gas after you fill the building with apples or pears or some other kind of perishable fruit. And then you have that fruit in cold storage, but there's also no oxygen in the building. Now, would you want to go in that building?
Sure.
No, not the oxygen in there. It'd do the same thing to you that it does to a lot of the fungus and a lot of the bacteria. In addition to being really cold, liquid nitrogen builds up a vapor pressure that's really high. In fact, I tried to find out what the vapor pressure was at the boiling point, and people don't really know. They hum and haw, and it's just not something I was able to find, at least in a few minutes of research. But it probably can build up pressures up to around 3,000 pounds per square inch. Pretty high pressure.
That's just really well in slow-mo in case you're going to film Ridgely. No pressure, Ridgely.
No pressure.
That was good.
I can't.
Come on.
Science.
Is everybody ready?
Yes.
That makes one of us. I wish I was ready.
Get excited. Ridgely, are you prepared to run?
Yes.
No.
Wait, you got to make sure you don't do it while Mr. Thayer is still there.
Run the
Do it now.
direction.
Do it now.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Here we go.
You're ready.
Oh boy.
Oh no.
This part always
Oh,
makes
this
me
is the
nervous.
bottle.
Right
Let's
here.
go.
It's fine.
You gotta put
Okay.
it in fast.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Right.
Now, the pressure is building up from that bottle.
Hell yeah.
And at some point,
You hear it.
Yeah, you hear it? You hear it?
Holy.
Alright guys, everybody to help picking up the balls.
I dropped my camera. I dropped my camera and some of them on the roof.
Everyone can pick up the